Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can give access to your Facebook page. By that I mean how you guys can add other people to your Facebook page so they can do other activities on your page. For that you need to click a menu at the bottom right of your screen and then go on where it says pages and choose one of the page which you own. Once you're inside your page, just click on switch at the bottom right. Now you have switched into your Facebook page. After that you need to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. From over here you need to click on the setting icon at the top right. From inside setting you need to scroll a bit up and over here where it says page setting, click on page setting. Now from inside page setting, scroll a bit down and you will see the option called page access, which is under new page experiences. Click on that. From over here, click on add new at the top. Once you click on add new, you want to click on this option called next. It basically means you agree to its terms and service. From over here, you want to enter the person's name to whom you want to give access to. So I'm going to enter a person's name to whom I want to give access to over here. After I enter the person's name, I can click on the person and then it's going to show me this. And if I turn on full access, that means this person will have full access to my Facebook page, which means he can even delete my Facebook page if he wants to. So if I want to give him full access, I can turn this on. But if I don't want to, I can turn this off. If this is off, he can just post content, read messages, reply to them, and post ads and something like that. So I can click and give access. After I do that, I need to enter the password of my Facebook account to confirm this action and click and confirm. Once I click and confirm, Facebook page request will be sent to my friend. And if my friend accepts the request, he will be able to access my Facebook page. So that is how you guys can give access to your Facebook page. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.